Hey guys, it's Cassie and today we are going to go see the GUCCI ARIA collection in person, in real life, at the Gucci Bond Street store. And of course I have to take you guys along. Oh my gosh, we must enjoy this moment together. Now, as far as I'm aware, I don't think they have any of the Balenciaga hack pieces. And I'm very excited, as you can tell. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's sod and go. Does she look like the main character? Yes. Are both of her socks slowly descending the back of her heels such that it is becoming a very uncomfortable work experience? Yes. Will you ever know? Not by looking at me. And that's the way to live. Okay, so today we are going to be seeing some of the GUCCI ARIA collection. Not all of it is in. It's going to be dropping in dribs and drabs, but I've got quite a good selection for you. And then also at the end of the video, I have a little bit more on the Balenciaga hack project and when that will be coming in. So enjoy! Now, as we know, it is boot season. And Gucci is bringing out far many more boots than I thought they would. Okay, so you have this very horse bit, you know, very Gucci moment. A little bit of chain situation there on a Chelsea boot. I think she's rather chic. You've got a welly version here with a square toe. These are very similar to the Louis Vuitton ones whose name I cannot remember, and they've got this awful... You know what? I would have liked it if it didn't have this Marmont strap on it. Like, why? You could have just done nothing. But I like the exaggerated monogram. I think it's very... this collection. More boots here. 3 gold satin, what are those called? Buckles. There we go, Cassie. Find your vocabulary on the side there. Again, that would be so cute with like a skirt and tights. We have bejeweled in the Merlot colour. I don't know why I wanted to call it Merlot. You could have just said red, Cassie, and everybody would have understood. I know. We have high versions. Oh my gosh, with a gold bee on the side. Dear me. So many options. Look at this. Oh, she looks vintage. Look at that with the tiny monogram. This is more of a grown-up situation, but still fabulous. Okay, look at these. Firstly, does she have a snout? Yes, but is it a pretty snout? Of course. So they are these like mesh. You've got the crystals on them. They are also available in nude. She's got a tiny little serpent mouth, right? Look at that. Look at that. And I'm not a kitten heel person, but for these, I could be a kitten heel person. Also, confirmation. These boots, you can take the strap off them. Thank God. Yeah, so you can take the strap off and just have, you know, a simple moment, like a little Victorian chimney sweep. In a good way, in a good way. Okay, so this is a snippet of the collection, and this is what we have. We have an under-titty corset, right? Just propping the girls up there with crystals. Very nice. Is it a showstopper? I mean, it is a showstopper, but I kind of wish that these weren't black. But you know me, I'm a lot. Okay, it's a little bit as subtle as, I don't know why I'm like, this is subtle, when, you know, it's clearly not, but you know what I mean. We have these. They're knickers. Don't think they're meant to be, you know, really seen. However, you have this lingerie kind of skirt. Look at it. It's sexy, but it's absolutely fabulous. I just like, look at all that. Look at all that fabulous detailing. Sorry for the flickering, by the way. I love the fact that this is like the top of tights, you know. Does it have something? It's got a slip. It's got a slip. One step ahead. It's just so sexy and fabulous, and oh, it's giving me like 1950s pin-up. We have a tiny titty bralette in this fabulous citrus. There is also a tiny crop top situation, and you have that lingerie-ish kind of skirt again, but in this glorious satin. Oh my gosh. It's not coming across as, this is like yellow, right? So this, you have the matching, and you have the little crop top. Stop. What an absolute moment. I love it. And this, don't even. Absolutely encrusted. Every moment of it. And the thing is that it's not, in my opinion, it is absolutely not done in a tacky way. That is just like an absolute fabulous showstopper. She is a glorious woman. Look at that. Look at that horse bit belt. Cinching her together in heritage. I get a bit too excited. Apologies. Look at these GG buttons. Oh. We have the Tom Ford era velvet suit. Look at that sharp little, whatever this is called, lapel. Only got a very average blue shirt there. Not sure if that's meant to be there. Looks a bit out of place. Got this. Not necessarily. No, let me not. This is the kind of stuff I live for. That just, the way it shines in the light. It's green, which you know I love. It's like a glorious emerald. Has the matching tailored trousers. Got the velvet PJs that obviously you would wear out, because if you're dropping this money, I'm not just wearing it to sleep. Matching. For those into the more risque pieces, I think this will be fabulous. It's like a tiny little crop top with a little under titty moment. That's wired, by the way, so keeping them up into the pants. So obviously you'd like wear high-waisted trousers or a skirt and whatever, and then you've got these cute little suspenders. I think that's really cute. What else do we have? These jumpers. I'm absolutely not in the right outfit for these, and I also don't know how anybody walks on kitten heels because I'm a bit all over the place. But here's a little bit of a look at how she sparkles. Although these are not me, they would be fabulous on somebody else, and I would look at them and be like, "Madam, your shoes are absolutely fabulous," and she would be like, "Yes, as she should be. Look at them sparkle." See all my marks from my socks, apologies. I'm a 39 and these are a 38 and they would probably be my size, so keep that in mind. So this is a size 40. I'll button it up and everything. Oh, what? Is this not like the sexiest blazer you've ever seen? Most fabulous. This colour is not showing up right. This is a glorious emerald. Okay, it's showing up a kind of teal here. It's emerald, believe me. Imagine this with a tight black trouser. Stop. Absolutely fabulous. Yes. Okay, we have some insane pieces to try on. So there is this denim matching moment here. So we're going to have a look. A little bit of a, what do they call it? Canadian tuxedo, Justin and Brittany at the VMAs. If anybody wants to know how the trousers are going, they are not getting up past here. I have no idea what size these are, so... All of the clothes here are size 40. They come up small. So as much as I really did want to try on the selection of clothes that I took with me to the changing room, some just absolutely did not happen. The skirts, don't even bother. Didn't get up past my knees. Don't say I don't do anything for you, because I have just squeezed myself, very obviously, because we can see the strain, and I can't get it up past here. In this sample size romper, however, can we just use our imaginations to pretend that this fits? It's giving me Charlie's Angels. It's giving me fighting crime in the most fabulous way. God, I wish I could zip this up. It's not happening. Right, but just use your imagination. That's what it's there for. Do you see? Sodden, it's got like a tiny little bit of padding there. Glorious. Look at that. Look at all the GGs. This like old G on here is absolutely stunning. This is everything. Let's pretend. Yes. But it's a no right now, but it would be a yes. Okay, so now we're on to the jacket. I just have these plain black trousers here to demonstrate. Okay, this jacket, it's flannel lined. I cannot tell you how sodding soft this is on the body. I mean, of course, we knew it was going to be cool. We knew it was going to be fabulous. Oh, stop. This... shorts, this, sodding leggings, you know me. Oh, she's at a bar. She's looking fabulous. She's changing the song on the jukebox. over the, oh, stunning. This is such a cool girl vibe. I will say, before we drill on how fabulous this is, I feel like if these samples are anything to go by, all of these samples are in a size 40. I am a size 10, and I would be going for probably a size 42, 44 in this collection. This is a size 40, and like my skinniest bit is the waist, right? And usually I can fit into quite small. That belt's not closing there, right? But let's not detract from the fabulosity of this sodding piece. What? Every angle, the amount of glitter. This is a generational piece. This is you have this in your wardrobe. You pass it down to your children. They pass it down to their children's whatever. Okay, so there is the matching skirt. Once again, this is a size 40. I didn't even know 2 legs were getting into that, okay? You know me, I like to keep things on. I like to be honest with you. Okay, this is very corporate down here. This with jeans. Oh my gosh. Imagine you go to sodding parents meeting in this jacket. This is the mother I want to be. Stop. Oh, has Sam been playing up again? How is Millie? Oh, so diligent, isn't she? Yeah, killing it in maths, whatever. Stop. Turning up to the PTA meeting with your sodding Costco cookies like this. Didn't have time to cook. Did have time to sodding beat all of your outfits to the ground. I don't think there's a security tag on this, and if I run fast enough... No, I'm joking, I'm not a thief, but this jacket does make me want to be one. Stop. I'm just imagining how I could be in this jacket. She's a legend. What were to happen if Big Bird and Elmo had a moment of passion together? This is exactly what would happen. Okay, so this is like a knit and whatever, and then you got these crazy cuffs. Give them a showgirl vibes, Vegas moments. They're detachable, so you don't have to be bringing this level of extra every time you wear it. But that is sort of the point of this, otherwise, you know, why bother? What did you think of our sneak peek of the Aria collection? So much goodness. Basically, those pieces are available to pre-order. I think they have very select some of the pieces in, like the boots, I think like are available to buy if you wanted to buy now. But more things are to come. The latest I've heard on the Gucci Balenciaga collaboration is that it's going to come end of October, beginning of November. There's going to be a special location for it here in London. We don't have any of the pieces here in the UK. I know in the US there have been like some events and pre-order things, and yeah, the essays here were just like, we haven't had anything. So there we go. There's the information. Guys, let me know what caught your eye. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you like it, tell your friends. If you don't, keep your mouth shut.
I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.